just this past year, they stood up a dedicated operational team under a visionary leader who was overseeing drastic improvements in the life cycle of a cable order. We're seeing improvements in the success rates alone, which means faster installations. So innovative partners can feel confident when placing their order with Innovative due to some of their operational changes.
How do we make the overall partner experience better, not just on the selling front, but also on the post-signature install front? And we've worked very closely with companies like Spectrum Business on how can we make the call-in process easier? How can we make sure that orders are getting accepted? How can we increase our install rates? How can we give more proactive updates to partners on the other side of that? And bringing Gina, our Vice President of Operations, on last year, which hard to believe it's been a year already. She had a wealth of knowledge spending the last decade at Comcast. It just continues to further that cable first mantra of trust us with your business. We are going to make sure that it's easy to sell on the front end through automation. We're going to give you a great installation experience, and we're going to work hand in hand with the MSO partners that we bring to you through our operations team to make sure your customer ultimately gets installed and you as the agency get commissioned on that deal.
Innovative has an intimate knowledge of cable and Spectrum's processes. Innovative has some of the best-in-class multi-service qualification tools out there. So if you're focused on selling cable services, Innovative is the ideal master agent for you.